Our health is directly influenced by the air that we breathe. Numerous medical issues like headaches and respiratory infections can be brought on by poor air quality. Additionally, it can aggravate pre-existing diseases like allergies and asthma. Since we spend most of our day in the office, it makes sense to address this challenge here first. We propose a system for monitoring the environment based on sensor nodes that monitor each room and communicate this information to a gateway, which can either display it locally or transfer it to the Arduino cloud for additional processing. We have selected the Arduino Nicla Sense ME to monitor the environmental conditions with the BME688 sensor from Bosch that measures pressure, humidity, temperature, air quality, and CO2 levels. The device is quite small and we have designed a 3D printing enclosure to make it easy to mount on a wall. It only needs an AC power supply, so you don't have to deal with recharging batteries. To track the number of people in each room, we have chosen Arduino Nicla Vision, which has a STM dual-arm Cortex processor and a 2 megapixels camera that supports TinyML, which we can use to detect human presence. Besides that, it also has a clever motion sensor, an inbuilt microphone, and a distance sensor that could be further used to extend our case study. Privacy concerns must be addressed while employing cameras, and for good cause. In our situation, the camera runs a machine learning model created on the Edge Impulse platform to calculate the number of people in the field of view, but no actual video stream or images are being saved. The Nicla Vision has the same form factor as the Sense ME, so we adapted the 3D printer enclosure for this device to be sure it has the necessary viewing angle. For the gateway, we will be using the Portenta X8, which is a robust industrial-grade system on a module with Linux preloaded that is capable of running a vast array of software via Docker containers. As long as they are within range and unobstructed by large walls, the Portenta X8 can collect data from a large number of sensors using BLE. The data can be stored locally and shown directly in a dashboard with the parameters you want to track on a simple computer with a display, or forwarded to the cloud for further processing. The gateway itself can be placed in an out-of-view enclosure as long as it is in range for the sensor nodes. In summary, this approach has the following advantages. Firstly, it can keep an eye on your air quality in the office with a neat dashboard in real time and take precautions to reduce dangers as you go. Secondly, it can be integrated with a building management system to gather all the information on the environment of your office like humidity, temperature, air quality, and occupancy. Last but not least, the system we propose has only power wiring, the communication being done wirelessly and thus easy to install and scale for any number of rooms.